points. 5-1. You fake and fake, you drive inside. Nakaka-fake, nakuha na Velasco for 2 points. 5-1.
Last 15 seconds left.
Nakuha inside. Okay, 14, 2 points. You have to see Velasco. Easy to foul. Bonus throw. Yes, 5 Velasco. You have the lista na yan. Kung si Lolo yung Velasco ako na lang. 2 points, 5 Velasco. Ayan ka. Uy, foul!
Wow, guilty na rin. 1 point.
Last throw, they allow. Yes, the one inside, pass to Mula. Mula, and 2 points by Mula. Back to the trail.
Last 15 seconds left.
Ako na lang, kalimutin. Malalis dito. Foul. Hatak, inside to Fergie. Dimangas, kumain, 2 points. Kumain, Fergie. Ikibra. 2 points, 5-5. Lucinaria. Ipres. Wala ipasaya. 2 rebounds. Lucinaria. Ay, nakuha Alex na kumain. Ikibra sa court. 2 points. Indoor play. Lucinaria. Fergie again. Bang! 3 points again. Wala. Nakuha na Malalis. Ikibra. 2 points. Malalis. Inside to Malalis. Malalis combination. Ububay again. Run it back combination. Ububay again. Defense. Response. Kumain. Nakuha ang Malalis. Malalis na dyan. Kumamang perfect sa katingin. Ayaw lang daw. Hindi na sayang. Wala ko lang sayang. Uy! Malalis! Easy 2 points! 2 points! Wala! Nakuha ni Fergie. Fergie! 2 points by Fergie. Wala! Tuloy mo rin! Tingnan mo tuloy! Tuloy! Tuloy!
Guilty number 6.
Yes. Wala na po. Nakagawin siya. 34 seconds to shoot. Velasco, easy 2 points. Leader.